Cha-ching!
Hey guys, in the last video, I started removing the 6 old stringers from the hull. However, after I removed the 2 center stringers, the boat, because of its lightweight construction, became fairly floppy and started to sag. I needed to level and support it before I could continue demolition. Using some jack stands, stabilizer jacks for an RV, and a 13-foot center support made from 2x4s, I was able to level out the hull so I could continue working. While doing so, I found that the center of the hull sagged about 3/8 of an inch towards the middle. I was able to easily correct and level the center tunnel so I have something solid to work from. A quick look at what I have going on. I have a jack stand up front taking the pressure off of the trailer jack. The keel roller and a few clamp-on supports are stabilizing the bow. And here you can see the RV stabilizer jacks and the 13-foot center support I built. And a set of jacks for the rear as well. I deflated the tires so all the weight is on the jacks and supports. She is now level bow to stern and port to starboard. Okay, now I could finally get the rest of the hull cleaned out. I untied my beam straps for now to make it easier to work. For the most part, I used my grinder with a diamond blade to cut out the remaining stringers and floor supports. In the really tight areas towards the bow, I used my multi-tool with a carbide blade. You guys get the point. As you can see, I still have some cleanup and grinding to do. But I'll be making and installing the new stringers real soon. Stay tuned. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Cha-ching!